If you're wondering, how in the heck do I enjoy cleaning? Cleaning my room, cleaning my house, cleaning my apartment, whatever space you have, I believe cleaning is going to change and transform your life. And I'm gonna give you all of the tips that I have learned along the way on how to actually enjoy it. I believe our minds are powerful, and the power of thoughts are incredibly important. So first and foremost, get yourself inspired to clean. I know for me, if I watch someone else in their video cleaning, it makes me want to clean. If I watch somebody organize their home, it makes me want to organize. So start off with the inspiration. Get yourself inspired and ready to clean. The hardest part is starting. Trick your brain and say, I'm only gonna do this project for 5 to 10 minutes and see where I get. I believe that any daunting project or anything that we're procrastinating, the hardest thing is just starting. When you start, you get momentum. You don't get momentum before you start. So it's important that you trick your brain into just going. If you say, okay, I need to clean my house or my room, but it feels overwhelming, say it to yourself in your brain. Slow is better than none. And I'm gonna start with one thing at a time. So I'm gonna start with one task. I'm gonna start with one room. I'm gonna start with one drawer. Start small and you'll see that momentum is gonna propel you to actually enjoy what you're doing, because once you start, that energy is gonna keep moving. Find a way to incentivize your cleaning. I know for me, the ways that I get to enjoy my cleaning routine are candles and my little Pura diffuser. I put on my Pura. I make sure that the house smells nice. That is one of the ways that I incentivize my cleaning, because I tell myself, okay, as you clean, your space is gonna start smelling good. One of the ways that you can enjoy cleaning is figuring out like what your senses need. What smells do you love? Figure out what smell makes you encouraged and get a little candle or a diffuser or some incense, and you'll be surprised at the vibes that you'll start to feel. Invest in cleaning supplies and things that you clean with that are going to help you not only do the job correctly, but also to feel like you have the tools necessary to clean your home. I know for me, I enjoy the job when I have, I don't know, if you're anything like me, you might like cute little things. I love adorable little aesthetically pleasing cleaning supplies, and I love buying things that have clean ingredients. I love knowing that when I'm spraying these things, I'm not gonna be inhaling things that are toxic. I enjoy cleaning by making sure that what I'm spraying smells good. I like the bottle, right? Those little things are tiny little actions, but they do make a big difference. Number 5 is envision yourself in your clean space. Envision what you're gonna feel like when you have that space clean, because I tell you what, my mental health is so much better when everything is uncluttered and things are clean. I feel so serene, so peaceful. Our outer world often reflects our inner world. So they say that what is the state of your closet look like? That is the state of your heart and your mind. And when they said that, I was like, I am redoing my entire closet. I'm cleaning house, I am organizing it, I'm making sure that it's nice and clean and nothing in there doesn't serve me. So make sure that you start with a vision of how you want to feel. You will enjoy cleaning when you know that that feeling that you get is nothing, it doesn't compare. The feeling that you get when you're finished doing all that work and cleaning the house, man, you do have to do it again, because I think that's the daunting part for you and for me probably, is that we're gonna have to do it all over again tomorrow, and it feels like, dang it, I did all that work for nothing. But it's not for nothing, because it helps your soul, it helps your heart, it helps you as you're cleaning. Start praying. I know for me, I enjoy cleaning when I'm either listening to a podcast that is encouraging, and I know for me, cleaning is much more about spiritual stuff, and I often pray as I'm cleaning. And that brings me to my last and final point, is the way that you can enjoy cleaning is making sure that you have fun music or a great podcast. Hey, I know a good podcast called The Courage Within. We have a podcast that you can listen to if you want to listen to something uplifting, or listen to some audiobook of a book that you want to hear. You already are having to spend that time cleaning, so why not add the wonderfulness of being able to learn and be encouraged or be inspired by nice music that you enjoy. All right, friends, that is it for today's video. I really hope that this video inspires you to enjoy cleaning whatever space God has given you, wherever you live, no matter where you live. You can make your house a home. I believe that we should take care of our space. I know for me, I've gone from living with cousins in a 2-bedroom apartment with 2 families to having a tiny little apartment, my family did, and then moving into a house. So I've had different spaces in my life. I've not always had our house to decorate or to clean, but I have always felt that God has given me that space, and I'm gonna honor it by valuing it. And I learned this from my mom. She would always have our house really nice and clean. I didn't have my room clean, but she had her house clean, and she would always say, you gotta take care of your stuff. You gotta take care of whatever you just you have and treat it like a home. So I hope that this video inspires you to treat your house like a home and to make it a clean space for you to live and thrive. I'll see you in the next video, God willing. Adios.